Hi guys, and welcome to the competition for Shuffler. Now in this competition you can win a copy of Shuffler plus all my bonus packs for September. So there's been some amazing bonus packs. You can win the bonus pack for Shuffler plus all my bonus packs for September. Now if you have only purchased one bonus pack through me this month, so if you've only purchased one affiliate product, then if you want all my bonus packs for September, today, the 27th of September, right to the 30th of September, is the last chance you will be able to get all my bonus packs if you purchase Shuffler. So if you've purchased only one product and you purchase Shuffler before the 30th of September, you will get all my bonus packs for September. So that's an amazing deal. Now, if you have purchased two products already in September, you already have access to all my bonus packs. So all you need to do is open a support ticket and my team will get you set up. So it's an amazing deal and it's an amazing offer for an amazing application as well. So if you're not lucky enough to win Shuffler and you have only purchased one product through me this month, all you need to do is check out the description below and you will see a link across to my review of Shuffler plus my bonus pack as well. So without further ado, let's pick the winner now. So here we go. Let's pick the winner. I'm going to choose from all comments to pick a winner now. And the winner is Al Allison. I would love to be a winner of these awesome bonuses. So congratulations, Al, you are the winner. So all you need to do is open a support ticket and my team will get you set up with everything you need. Now, if you still want Shuffler, just check out the description below. We've got an amazing bonus pack, and if you've already purchased, you can get all my bonuses for September. So please, make sure that you check that out if you're missing any bonus packs for September. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video, because in October we have some amazing bonuses coming. If you thought September was good, then wait for October, because October will actually beat September in bonuses. So we've got some amazing bonus packs. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.